This is a review of the kitchen counter basket. It's a 2-pack, and it's the wire storage baskets for vegetables. The brand sent this to me so that I can put it together and give you a review. And so upon opening the box, we have our parts. Pretty basic instructions here. Step 1, open the kitchen counter basket. Okay. And then we fold up and use the buckle, which has already been installed for you. So then all you do is you put the bamboo lid on top, close the handles, and that's it. So cute. And then you just do that twice. So let's just do it again. Okay. And there we go. Oh, are those not just the cutest? And then here we go. Ooh, I am so excited.